Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and it's great to see you guys here. And in today's video I want to talk about an online job that required no experience. So I'm going to give you all the details right on this video, so stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to put the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you found out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about the system. Guys, the people who've gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay guys, so the company we are going to look at today is called Yardi Matrix Rent Survey. So it's formally known as Purse Hustling and it's a rent survey. Now you can see from here this is going to be start on 2nd January 2019 and it's for 6 weeks, and you basically taking surveys for this company by calling apartment complexes and asking questions like how many 2 bedrooms do you have and that kind of stuff. So I'm filling out all the information and giving it and submitting it. Now depending on the time of the day, when you watch this video is maybe you're watching in the late 2019 because this is 6 week things, so this may not be available for at that time. So I'm gonna leave a link in below in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. Now this day may have other survey like this come up that you can apply for this, but you can take a look at this and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video. So if you want to get more information about it, but you do need a high-speed internet connection guys for this, and a long distance telephone service is required, and the compensation is $6 per hour and a purse rate of 50 cents for survey marked done, and 30 cents for survey marked with wrong number, and 20 cents for survey marked part-time, and guys 7 cents for survey marked answering machines or no answers. So you will receive a least minimum wage in your jurisdiction for all hours worked. So however you can earn more depending on your speed and efficiency. So if you are invited to the 2019 survey, you would be an employee of the select staffing on a temporary assignment with Yardi Matrix. And what is required accuracy? So while surveys are simple to conduct, and a commitment to accuracy throughout is required. Now guys, if you want to apply for this, come up here, file, follow the instruction they are telling to you, and what you can do, you can go here and click the next step and follow the instruction whatever they are telling to you. So guys, go ahead and submit the information and they'll get back to you. So guys, this is a 6 weeks position, but depending on when you're watching, this may have other opportunities for you at that time. So you can come and check this out, and I'll leave a link below in the description of this video so you can find out all the details here. And so guys, go ahead and check it out. So this is the website I'm going to talk about today. But guys, if you want to use a better use of your time, and if you want to make $100 a day online, and this is actually what I am doing, so click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system guys. The people who gone through the system guys are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So guys, go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do, because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.